Ever since the sneeze man started coming around.
Me? I'm just the sneeze man. There's a lot of things people don't know about me. Love sneezing, love watching people sneeze, love catching it. You know, these run out. Limited supply. No, it doesn't run out. This bad boy.
That sneeze man? Jesus Christ, I was delivering pizzas the other day. I was coming up to the door out of nowhere. Somebody's about to sneeze inside apparently. This dude in whatever appears to be like his dick sock. Oh, no. Pink shirt and the glasses. Oh, he just came up and just opened the door, took my pizza straight to the door on the side. It was on him. It was on him.
Sneeze man. You gotta sneeze into my elbow.
It's kind of cool actually.
But, not gonna lie, every now and then, try to get away with one or two without you noticing.
Sneeze in here all you want. I'm here for it.
Oh, thanks, sneeze man.
There's a lot of mucus involved, so there's just no way I'm putting my elbow in front of that. No, absolutely no way I could do that.
Both of my parents passed away brutally to sneeze attacks. Because nobody was around. I'm sorry. Because no one was around. Just not the sneezing.
Got it! Let's go!